All right, here we are in Northwest Cape Coral. We're at a new construction house. We listed this about a week ago, and today I would like to give you a full tour of this beautiful new home. It's a three bedroom with a den, 3 full bathrooms. It does have a pool. And of course, you got the 3-car garage. Car is not included. Just give you a little tour of the outside over here. I'm holding an open house here today, so I figured it was a good opportunity to do this full video tour before I start entertaining people coming to the open house. As you can see to the right of the house, you got 2 vacant lots before the next house, so you got some privacy to your right. On the left side, you got a new construction home being built, and then you got probably another 4 empty lots next to it. So this is an area right now in Cape Coral that is absolutely blowing up. There's a lot of construction happening in Northwest as well, but as you can see, a lot more opportunities in this area. And if you don't like to be close to everybody, this is a nice place to be in. But what I really want to showcase before we get inside the house is what's behind this house. This is located on a freshwater canal. Got the AC behind the garage here. Hurricane impact windows and doors. There's your pool pump. Screen enclosure. This is your backyard. Look at this. I mean, if you want to go fishing, this is the only place you'll want to go. Drop your boat in here. And this canal, this is called the Hermosa Canal, is actually about 145 feet wide. So your nearest neighbor is over 150 feet behind you, which is really nice. And then of course you got your side neighbors. And then that's the new construction house next door. Got a couple trees back here. You know, look at that shell right there. That's pretty cool. Anyways, drop your boat back here. You got some good fishing back here. And these canals lead out to other canals throughout Cape Coral. We actually have over 400 miles of canals in Cape Coral total. So let's actually go around. Now, you're not going to be able to reach 400 miles with the canals through your backyard here, but there's definitely a spread of canals that you can access right through your backyard. Oh man, you see fish jumping in the water over there. I knew I should have brought my fishing pole. Okay, next time. All right. Again, one of the things that attracts people to Cape Coral is obviously the weather, the lifestyle, and of course the fishing. We have some great fishing here, whether it's on freshwater or saltwater. You have the best of both worlds right here. Year round, you get to fish. Year round, you get to wear shorts and flip-flops. It's a good life, can't complain. Now this house, we have this listed at $549,900. This is a new construction home. Listed for under $550,000 with a 3-car garage. This is a good deal, guys. Nice grand entry. All right. So as soon as you walk in, you notice this beautiful tile throughout the entire house. You got the tray ceilings, double tray ceiling I should say, overlooking the kitchen. Kitchen has a quartz countertop, the waterfall. Nice big kitchen here. And then you actually have a den right here, overlooking the front yard. They've added this accent wall, which is a nice touch. Got a fan pretty much in every room. This is overlooking the pool and the water. Just an incredible view. Just imagine having your coffee every morning from your own lanai, or right here, right from your living room, as you're watching the morning news, or eating breakfast on your kitchen island, or here in the dining room. No matter where you're sitting, you get this incredible view. I like the little details they've added in here too. That's not wood. No, it's not. Let me know what you think about these pieces that they've selected from the house. Stainless steel appliances, side-by-side refrigerator, good sized laundry room, a little bit of storage space, and then depending how you put the washer and dryer, you can do it side by side or you can stack it. If you do it side by side, you can add extra storage cabinets as well. And then you got the 3-car garage. This is nice to have. I personally have a 3-car garage only because we don't have a basement down here. You need that extra storage. And plus, I've been saying for a while, I'm going to turn into a home gym. I'm going to keep saying that until it happens one day. For the time being, it's my storage facility. And by the way, we have a lot of storage facilities in Cape Coral. Because like myself, most other people are hoarders. And we can't help but hold on to things that we don't need. So, you have that 3-car garage, so that way you get to hold on to the things you don't need. Nice size closet space. And again, another incredible view from here. Here's your pool bath. It's got a stand-up shower. And then that leads out to the pool area. And yes, I think it might be a good idea to frost those windows. Otherwise your neighbor's going to be getting a show. We could discuss that. Now let me give you a tour. Ooh, that's nice to have. So this is the master. You got the barn doors to the bathroom. Nice touch. Tray ceilings in here. Definitely plenty big for a king-size bed. And then you got the sliding doors leading out to the lanai area. You got 2 walk-in closets. Definitely a good size. All right. Dual sinks. Big window. 1 missing light bulb. But we can take care of that. A nice shower. You got tile from top to bottom. This is nice. And then you got your VIP section right here where you're going to hold all your personal meetings. And I like that there's extra storage space right here. So if you run out of TP, there's where you're going to find it. All right. That's it with this property. Another full home tour provided to you by Dean with eXp Realty here in Cape Coral, Florida. If you have any questions about this property or any other real estate, you know how to reach me. And one other thing I forgot to mention, this property is on city water and sewer. So something to know about Cape Coral, not every property has city water and sewer. Some are on septic and well. And it's important to know, if you are buying a property that's on septic and well, when are they transitioning to city water? Because there's going to be a fee slapped onto people. That fee right now is about $36,000. So if you're buying a property that already has a city water on it, Most likely there's a small assessment balance remaining, but it's nowhere near what the city's going to be charging you. So if you're thinking about purchasing something Cape Coral, give me a call. Let me look into it for you. Let me make sure that you know everything you're getting before you buy it. Additionally, if you're looking to buy a piece of land, land keeps going up in value here. Prices have dropped down. This house is priced extremely well per what the current market is, and the land prices just keep going up. So you can also pick your own lot and build your own house on it, but there's a 12 to 18 month wait time typically, or you can get into a house like this that's brand new. You would be the first person to move into it, and then you can customize it any way you want. It is a brand new house. It'll give you peace of mind, hopefully for at least the next 10 years. And of course, with this house, you get this incredible water view in the back. So whether you're using this for personal use or 50-50 or 90-10, whatever it is, you know, maybe you're only coming down here once a year and you want a place to stay instead of paying for it, you know, by renting it, this would be a good investment property as well. You know, Cape Coral is big with tourists. We got a lot to do here. The city's expanding. Anyway, hope this is helpful. Catch you in the next one.